par le président du Conseil français sur ce podium pour recevoir les...
Africa will be powerful if it is united. It will be rich if we are together, if our countries cooperate to complement each other and pursue our common vision of strong and efficient states. We are fully committed to our region, to the Horn of Africa, which should be the shared home of all the peoples who live here. And we are fully committed to the processes of building the continent. I'm thinking in particular of the AFCTCA, which in Niamey in July, Niamey, which was born in July, was born of the promise of a vast Africa-wide free trade area of this great single market of more than 1 billion people. Africa is considered to be the continent of the future. It is up to us to make this project a reality.